We're trying wines from Wales, and I'm going to be a little bit adventurous today. Who has had a sparkling red wine before? We have sparkling red from the Triumph grape variety from the Ancre estate just outside Monmouth in South Wales. I think I've said before, nowhere in Wales is far from the sea. We're going to put it, or what I'm intending is to make a fish stew. So we've got a beautiful sea bass, wild sea bass from the clean fresh waters of North Wales. Some mackerel, I've got some mussels, I'm going to get some scallops, and I'm going to use a bit of chorizo, some tomato, some paprika. So there's quite strong flavours there, but it's going to match up with this red sparkling wine. Who would have thought? Red sparkling wine from Wales. We've got it all. It's got a nice fruity nose, sort of blackberries, black currants, things like that. On the palate, you sort of think it's going to be sweet, but it's not. It's got good acidity, and that's going to stand up with a sort of tomato-y chorizo stew. You don't want too much chorizo, but it'll stand up beautifully with that. Something so different. We've got a whole range of wines in Wales. It's not far from the port to the plate in Wales. Enjoy Welsh fish, enjoy Welsh wine, make the best of all of our ingredients.